In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number on eBay. If you've already shipped an item, adding the tracking number is an important final step. It helps the buyer follow the package, keeps your order details updated, and makes your shipping process look more professional and reliable. The good news is that eBay makes this fairly quick once you know where to go. To begin, sign into your eBay account and look toward the top of the page for My eBay. Click on My eBay to open your account area. This is where eBay keeps the main sections related to your buying and selling activity, so it's the right place to start whenever you need to manage an order. Once you're inside My eBay, find and click on Selling. This will take you into the seller side of your account, where you can manage listings, orders, and shipment details. If you sell regularly, this section is especially useful because it keeps all of your sales activity in one place. After that, click on Orders. This opens the area where all of your orders are listed. Here, you can review sales that are awaiting shipment, already shipped, or still in progress depending on your order filters and account layout. Take a moment to locate the specific order you want to update, especially if you're handling multiple sales at once. When you find the correct order, select it and click. Add tracking number. This is the option that lets you attach the shipment tracking details to that order. Be sure to choose the right order before updating anything, since adding the wrong tracking information can confuse both you and the buyer. At this point, enter the tracking number exactly as provided by your shipping carrier. It's a good idea to double check the number for accuracy before saving it. Even a small typo can prevent tracking from updating correctly. If available, make sure the shipping carrier matches the service you used, since that can help eBay recognize the tracking information faster. Once the tracking number is added, the order will be updated and the buyer can view the shipment progress through eBay. That simple update can reduce buyer questions and give everyone more confidence that the package is on the way. And that's how to add a tracking number on eBay. It only takes a minute, but it's an important part of completing an order properly.